day 5, and it looks like our insistence on spending the night in Dinapigue is going to pay off. Angelo and I are back at the view deck at the top of the hill for what looks to be another stunning sunrise-moonset combo. This morning, I have my Sony a6300 shooting at full tele again to get a tracking time-lapse of the moonset on my Skywatcher Star Adventurer Mini, while my Sony a7R II shoots an ultra-wide time-lapse of the sun sweeping across the landscape. We head down to the bottom of the hill, where Angelo cools his head after a minor mishap, while I get some drone shots of this stunning coastline in the morning light. With another sunrise done, we head back south into Aurora for Casiguran. Our plan is to stay at a resort on the peninsula, then come back north to a rice field we scouted on day 1 for sunset. At this point, we realized that the resort we intended to stay in is too far away for us to catch the sunset at the rice field, so we decide to leave exploring Casiguran for another time. In any case, we're happy to have seen a little bit of this part of Casiguran.
Gawin natin yung para sa mga Instagram.
Ano?
Pero hindi na sa labas.
Nasa loob yung kamay.
When I was there sa other side, it was really nice. I ate with the family. As in, nagluto lang nila. Whatever they were eating, I was eating. Kamay.
We decide to head straight down to Dinalungan, an hour away, to make sure we have a place to sleep before heading back up to Casiguran for sunset.
Dinalungan?
Okay. Pwede. We always have to wait for internet and then stop when there's a spot with internet so we can do our navigation on Google Maps because we have no traditional navigation skills. Nah, dude, it's really hard. What are you talking about?
Nasa Shell Casiguran kami ngayon and gusto lang namin tanungin si Coco Martin kung tumatanggap kaya sila rito ng credit card. Ano sa tingin mo?
We're back in Dinalungan, which will be our base for tonight, as we wrap up the last part of our road trip.
Morning.
One more?
One more.
Hindi yun yung actual jump ko. Binakabahan ko yung hang. Nag-zoom ka ba?
Hindi.
Bakit nag-zoom?
Now it's time for lunch. After lunch, we rest up in our room to prepare to drive 40 kilometers back north to the rice field in Casiguran. All in all, this back and forth adds about 100 kilometers to our driving for the day. Looks like we're in for a great sunset. I set up my time-lapse just across the car while Angelo wraps himself up and braves the hordes of insects down in the rice field itself. After all of the effort from scouting on day 1 to driving up and down the coast for hours today, we finally get our sunset shots at this unique spot. It's not the kind of epic view you would sell to tourists, but it gave us a magical, quiet moment to remember. That night, it rained hard in Dinalungan, leaving us not hopeful for sunrise the next day. But it was our last sunrise and it was still worth a shot. We drove to Tabon Beach and awaited what nature might surprise us with. We were not disappointed.
Thank you, nature. That was amazing. Angelo, it's time for our scripted ending conversation. Naka-practice ka na ba?
Too much.
Wow, that was a really fulfilling journey. What did you think about it?
I reckon we should post about it when we're done with it.
We hope you really enjoy it. Like and subscribe.
To my channel.